All right, I'm going to show you this week's homework. Make sure that you are in our homework, which says G for Gutierrez, homework section. Once you click on that, you are gonna see our Google Classroom homework section. Click on classwork, scroll down for this week, which is week 6 of homework. It's technically week 7 of school, but we didn't do the first week. You have your slides, and then you have some spelling. So let's go with the slides first. Here is your homework. This week, all the kids have to do is tell me 5 verbs in your book. So if you need to know what a verb is, you can click on the word verb. It will take you
My job is to make college easier because students have a
YouTube video, and you can skip the ads right there.
What is a verb?
Now, if the kids don't have any verbs in their reading, then they can just write 5 verbs, okay? Just seeing if they know what verbs are. For math this week, you have a cool Spider-Man room. You go ahead and click on here. You do need to click on the link. It's going to ask you to make a copy. Make a copy. It might take a quick second. There we go. And all you are doing is, what is 19 plus 6? You're writing the answer right here. You can click and you can give me the answer, whatever the answer is, okay? So some of these are gonna be a little bit more challenging, so I recommend having a whiteboard or a paper and pencil next to your student, so that way they are really solving the problems out. Some are addition, some are subtraction. And all you're doing is clicking here, and then you can write the answer, okay? And after that, you have 2 math arrays. We've been working on arrays. How many pieces of chocolate are there? This would be an array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3. And you are telling me the answers, right, or the multiplication equation, and then the answer, and then how many pieces of chocolate. So we're gonna be working on this for a few weeks. And how many eggs do you see? That's another array. And then continuing with the math videos. Along with that, you have spelling for this week. I went back to the original spelling. Last week's spelling was a mess. So I went back to the original spelling, and here you go. Arrows, broken, contribution, new, obey, told, united, used. And here you are rewriting the sentence to make it correct with the capital letters in the right spots and the periods. Here you are writing the words in the box. Write each spelling word in the word shaped box below. Here you are typing each spelling word on the line. Use one of the words in a sentence, and do not worry about the illustration. Here, see if someone in your family can give you a quiz and see how you do. I am not grading it on right or wrong. This is for your own personal use. And you are correcting the sentences with the capital letters and periods. And then, of course, once you're all done with all your assignments, you need to come down here to view assignment. Come over here to turn in, and make sure you turn it in once everything is done. And there you have it for this week's homework, September 20th through the 25th.